CPA marketing for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could promote your CPA marketing offers for absolutely free using 3 unique strategies right here on CPA marketing. And guys, this video right here is going to be for beginners. And before we jump right into this particular video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I basically post videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online. And if you do like such type of content, you can then just simply go to subscribing to this channel and check out those content, as they will be helpful to you in making extra income online. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, you want to head onto a CPA marketing platform. I'm going to be using the CPAGrip right here. And if you do want to go onto registering for an account, it's quite easy. Click on register. You'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately. And for this section which says publisher type, either select the website/incense or the GPT, as that actually helps you get your account approved almost immediately. You want to just simply read through the terms of services, agree through the terms of services by checking out these boxes right here, and register for your account. Once you're registered and you go on to login into your account, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So guys, once you're brought to this dashboard right now, you want to just simply click on monetization tools and click on the video lockers, because we're actually going to be using the video locker right here in today's video. So if you do go to selecting the video locker, you want to come right here, click on create new video locker. You want to go through the terms of services, and if they are okay by you, agree to that and click on continue. So once you do all this right here guys, you want to give your video locker a name, and I'm just going to go on to giving it a simple name right here. So if I give it a name such as this right here, you could go on to this particular section which says templates, and actually do go on to selecting any one of these templates right here. As you can see that there are different templates. Once you're done, just simply come right here to this section and edit this particular header text based on your preference. So guys, what I did was that I went on to changing this text right here to complete a survey below to unlock this secret content. And once that is done, you could just simply come right here to the show offer manager, where you'll be able to see the offers right here that you do gain access to, or people do gain access to once they click on your link. And you can actually do go to selecting the priority right here for your CPA marketing offers. If you do want the CPA first, then the pin next, then other kinds of offers, you can put that right there in there. But what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to selecting the pin and credit card first right here. And if I do that, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save. And once I do click on save, my video locker right now has been created. I can just simply click on get code, and if I do that right here, I'm going to go on to enabling the JavaScript protection and also enable the ad block protection right now. And right here, this is my script to my video locker right now. So you want to leave this page open, and you want to just simply head onto this platform which is called the sites.google.com. And if you do head on to sites.google.com, you can actually go on to creating a landing page right now. I'm just going to click on this blank section to go on to creating a simple landing page right here. And right now guys, I could just simply go on to giving this particular section a simple title. So you can see it says this paranormal elite people video leak, and I'm just going to come right here and stretch this to this section right here so that it can actually go on to looking better. If I do stretch this other section right now, I can then just simply go on to maybe making this bolder and reduce the font size if I want to reduce that right there. So once this is actually done guys, I can then just simply go on to clicking on this embed section. If I do click on embed, I'm going to come right here, click on embed code. And right now guys, you want to just simply go on to pasting in the code to your video locker right here. I'm going to copy the code to my video locker, head on to that particular page, and actually do paste in that right there. So once you do that, go on to the top section. As you can see, this is the first section right here of this particular script. I'm just going to click on enter, and in this section right here, you want to paste in the link to the video which you want to use right here or lock in your video locker. And what we're going to be using right now is that we're just going to go onto YouTube and search for the paranormal elite people's video, and you'll be able to see a lot of videos right here which you could go on to using. I'm just going to go on to selecting one of these videos right now. I'm going to right click on this particular video and copy the link address to this video. Then I'm just going to head back to, or instead you want to just simply click on that video right there. So once I do click on that video right now guys, I could just simply click on share. And once I click on share, I could just click on embed, and I'll be able to see the code right here, this particular video right now. I can then just simply go on to copying the code. Once the code has actually been copied on my device, I'm just going to head back to my landing page right here and paste in that particular code right now. As you can see, the top section right here, from this section to the top is for my video on YouTube, but from this section downward right here is for my video locker right now. And if I do click on next, as you can see, I'll be shown a preview of this video locker right here. As you can see, it's going to show the video first before going on to locking that particular video. And right now I can then just simply click on insert, and that has actually been inserted right now. I could just simply go on to stretching this to actually make it look better. So guys, once this is done, you want to just simply go on to adding another section right there. So I could just simply go on to adding a text box at the bottom, and in that text box you want to put in something like this, which says maybe this video will be removed from the internet in 15 minutes to 20 minutes right now. Watch now a real reality. And if you do that right here, I'm just going to go on to boldening that and actually going to increasing the font size also. I'm going to take that to about 24 right here, and as that has actually been pasted right there, what you want to put is something like click here. And if you do put in something like click here right here, I'm just going to put in something like this, and for this section which says click here, I'm going to highlight that. And if I do highlight that, I'm going to just simply go on to pasting in the link to my video locker right here also. So you can actually do this particular strategy right here, or you could just simply leave it as it is right now. So I'm just going to leave it as it is right here, so that they can actually go on to clicking on this particular section to go on to watching that particular video. But before they can watch that video, they do have to go through my video locker right here. So what you want to do right now, click on publish, and actually do go on to giving this a name right there, or a domain right now. So right now you can see this domain is actually available. I'm going to go on to clicking on publish, and I've gotten this domain right here. I could just simply click on this link icon and copy this link, and actually do go on to trying as much as possible to drive traffic to this landing page. And how do you want to drive traffic to this landing page? You want to follow these 3 simple strategies. The first strategy right now will be to head on to this platform called Facebook, and you want to just simply go onto the group section. And for that group section, guys, you want to just simply go into searching for the horror movies, and you can see a lot of horror movies related groups right here, which you could take advantage of. You could actually go on to promoting that on such groups right here. As you can see, if I do go on to checking out this group actually has about 58,000 members. I could just simply click on this group right here to actually get more details, or to just simply check out what the group is all about. So guys, for a group such as this, you can then just simply come right here and go on to writing something in that particular group. And what you want to do right here is to just simply type in a post such as this, which says this paranormal elite people video leak. Maybe this video will go down in few minutes, watch now. And you want to just simply put in the link right here. For the link, you want to just simply go on to copying the link to this your landing page, and actually do go on to pasting that right here in this particular section. And as you can see, this has actually been pasted. You can then just simply go on to clicking on post, and you can actually drive traffic to that particular content of video locker right there. So you could also go on to promoting that on as many of various social media platforms right there, or Facebook groups right now, to actually drive a lot of traffic to that particular content. You can actually do come right here to this platform called the Twitter, and actually do quite similar thing right here on Twitter to actually help you drive a lot of traffic to that particular content right here. Use Twitter also, and actually go on to add in some cool hashtags that can actually help that video or that particular post go on to ranking right there and reaching out to a lot more amount of audience. But guys, the third strategy which you could use right now is to take advantage of this platform right here, which is called the noviclick.com. And this is a platform where you could go on to posting ads for actually a little amount of cash right here. As you can see, you could expand your reach and grow your business online. You could maximize your online potential and reach your target audience with our marketing solutions right now. All you actually have to do is to sign up for this platform. Once you just sign up, you should be brought to a page such as this. If you do go on to funding your account by clicking on this particular section, you can then go on to clicking on create campaign. So once you do that, guys, you should be brought to this page. Just simply go on to giving your ad a name right now. I'm not going to give it a simple name right here. Select the ad format, which you could use any of this format right here, either the pop under traffic, push traffic, in-page push, or the PV/TOS. And I'm just going to use the push traffic right here. If I do select that, in this section you want to paste in the URL to that particular landing page right here. So I'm just going to copy the landing page URL again and actually do head on back to that platform and paste that in right there in that particular section. So once that has actually been pasted, you then want to just simply go on to filling out exactly this category or all this section appropriately. So right now guys, for the categories, you want to just simply leave it only on the mainstream right there. You could go on to including countries which you want to promote this particular stuff to, or excluding. You could add in creatives, which are actually cool and amazing images which you want to just simply use right here. For that particular ad, you could add in titles and description also. And guys, you could also go on to doing a lot more amount of creatives right here, and it is quite advisable you use at least 4 creatives. You want to come right here to the special targeting and actually do go on to fill in the device type right here. Either you want mobile devices, tablet or desktop devices, fill out that section right there. You could also select the operating system right now. You could select the browser, the mobile carriers, and actually do go on to editing all this section based on your preference inside the particular cost per click which you want to just simply use right there, and the budget which you want to use for this particular ad right here. You could also go on to timing the targeting and optimizing this particular ad which you want to run, or this campaign which you want to run on this platform called the noviclick.com. So if you do use this platform right here, you're actually going to go on to reaching out to a lot more amount of audience right here and get that particular video locker to a lot of people. And for people that are interested and click on that locker, they actually have to go on to completing a CPA marketing offer first before they can actually gain access to watching this particular YouTube video right here. So why not just simply go on to using this strategy to actually start making money with CPA marketing, even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. So that's it for now. I hope you did like this video. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.